Today we will see how to draw vaccine in Pictoblox interface. So we go to the Pictoblox interface and start coding for vaccine. So the first thing what we need to do is we need to resize our sprite Toby. By default the size of our sprite is 100. So I will make it to 20 and press enter. Now I go to event and I say when green flag is clicked. Why we require green flag? So that we can execute our program. Then I require an extension. I require pen, right? So I need to add an extension. So why I require pen extension? I require clean slate. I need a clean slate. Why I require clean slate? Okay, because I want to draw something. So I require clean slate. So I need to add an extension. So click on plus sign at the bottom, add extension and search for pen. Yes. Then I say erase all. I say pen up. Go to motions and I say x and y axis 0. Why I use x and y axis 0? So that my sprite is in the center of the stage. And I say point in 90 direction. And I go to pen again and I say pen down. We finish first part. Then I create a block. So for a vaccine I will create a block. Okay. So I will make a rectangle block with length and breadth. So using length and breadth, using rectangles, I will make a vaccine. So I go to my blocks and I make a block. And I type rectangle. Okay. And add input length. Again I add input breadth. Okay. So I have two inputs. One is length and one is breadth for rectangle. Okay. So what I do? I go to motions and I say move 10 steps. So I don't want to move. So I give a length. And then turn 90 degrees. The angle of a rectangle is 90, right? So how many angles we have? 4. So length and 90 degrees. So then I say move 10 steps and I give breadth and turn again 90 degrees. Okay, two sides I finish. So again move 10 steps, I give length, okay, and move, turn 90 degrees. Three sides, again 10 steps I say breadth and I say turn 90 degrees. Okay, yes. Now I require one more block. Okay, so I finished with rectangle. So I require one more block. So I go to my blocks and I create a block and I say vaccine and I say okay. I don't want any inputs for this. Okay, I say vaccine. Now I go to pen and I say pen up. Why I say pen up? Because I don't want to draw anything. Okay, so I go to motions and I say x and y axis. So I want to specify x and y axis. So before specifying x and y axis, I want to add a background. So I say choose a background, come down and search for a grid. Okay, yes. See, look, my sprite is in the center of the state, that is 0 by 0. We have x-axis, this is the horizontal, and y-axis vertical. So towards the left it is minus, towards the right it is plus. Again at the bottom it is minus, on top it is plus. So now I want to specify, okay, a certain point. So I say minus 50 and y-axis 50. So where will be my point? My Toby will be 50 will be somewhere here, right? Look at my cursor and where it will be negative x, no? Minus 50. So it will come somewhere here, center of this box. Okay, somewhere here. We will see. And then I say I want to turn 45 degrees, so it has to move like this. So I say turn 45 degrees. Okay, I want to draw it diagonally. Okay, so I say 45 degrees and I go to pen and I say pen down. Okay, run the program and see if anything is happening. No, why is not happening anything? I want to see step by step what I am doing, so I need to close the script. So I go to my blocks and I say Vexel. I want to close the script and I run the program and see. Look at the Toby where it is. Okay, run the program. Look, my Toby is over here exactly minus 50 x-axis, y-axis 50. So it is exactly over here. We need to know how to plot the graph. Okay, so minus is towards the left and positive is from 0 to 50, and then it came minus x, that is minus 50. Now I see point. Okay, point in direction I have given 45. So from this point it will move. How many steps? So go to motions and I say move 70 steps. Okay, I say move 70 steps and I run the program and see. Yes. Okay, it's moving, right? From the center it moved 70 steps. Okay, so I've given x-axis 50 minus 50 and y-axis 50 and turn 45 degrees. So it turned from this point to here 45 degrees. So I will just do some changes over here. Remove these two blocks. I remove this 45 and I say point in direction 45. I say point in direction 45 and then I attach pen up, pen down and move 70 steps and then run the program. Yes. Okay, so we will draw it this way. Otherwise we have to draw it this way. Okay, so I will draw it diagonally this way. Okay, so from point, okay, from this point I took it 70. Okay, move 70. Now I go to motions again and I say again move. I want to bring it slightly over here and draw a small box over here, a rectangle box. Okay, so I say I want to bring it back, so I say minus 25 and Toby will come back. See, so I say minus 25. Then I want to turn, so I want to turn it to 90 degrees. I say 90 degrees and then straight away I go to my blocks and I call my block. I want to draw a rectangle now. Okay, I want to draw a rectangle for Vexin small. So I give 30, that is length, and breadth I will give 20. Run the program. Yes. Perfect. The first part is done. Then I go to motions again and I say move 30 steps. Okay, move 30 steps. Run the program and see. Yes, from this point it came 30. Why it came 30? See, length is 30, right? So exactly he came here. Okay, then I say turn 90 degrees. Okay, I turn my Toby 90 degrees in opposite. Look, see how is positioned, exactly how we want. So turn 90 degrees opposite. Now I say move. Okay, move how many steps? Minus 45. I say minus 45. Run the program every step. See. Okay, he's drawing a rectangle, a big rectangle. So I go to my block and I say call my block. I say rectangle. So length I will give 70. Okay, and breadth I will give 10. Let's see what happens. Yes. Okay, you have drawn a long rectangle. Okay, that is narrow rectangle. Fine. Now I go to motions and I say move. Again I want to move from here. Okay, he has to move from here to here. So He has to move 18 steps. Run the program. See, I'm just bringing him here somewhere. Okay, so slightly I'm bringing it. So I'm moving to 18 steps. Then I go to my blocks and I call my block straight away. And I say length I'll give 35 and breadth somewhat I should give 100 will give. Okay, run the program and see. Yes. Okay, perfect, should be perfect. Okay, yes, rectangle 35, so length is 35, breadth is 100. Okay, so now what I have to do again, I need to turn straight away, so I have to turn the Toby. So I go to motions and I say turn 90 degrees. Run the program and see. Okay, then I say move 100 steps, that is the breadth is 100, no? So I say 100 steps. Run the program and see. Yes, my Toby reached here. Now I want to turn my Toby back, so I say turn 90 degrees, that is the opposite. Okay, run the program. Yes, and then I just want to move 10 steps. Okay, run the program. Perfect. So from here again we will draw rectangle, a small rectangle. So I go to my blocks and I say call my block, I say rectangle, so small, I'll say 15 by 15. So I will draw 15, length also 15, breadth also 15. So I will draw a small square there. Perfect, I have drawn a small square. Now my Toby has to come here in the center of the square. Okay, and then draw a straight line down. So that is the line we have to draw. So I say go to motions and I say turn 90 degrees. I say turn 90 degrees. Then move 15 steps. Move 15 steps. Let's see what happens. Run the program and see. Yes, my Toby came here. Now I need to turn my Toby back. So I say turn again 90 degrees. Run the program. Perfect. Now I want it center. So divide 15 divided by 2. So 7.5. So I will say 7.5. So I say move 7.5. Run the program. Exactly at the center of my small square. 7.5. Now I will draw a needle. Okay. So I will say straight away I will give move, I will say 60. Let's see what happens. No, so I need to see my where is my needle coming. So I need to turn, right? So I need to turn. So I'll give turn command and say 90 degrees and I'll run the program. Perfect. Can you see my vaccine? It's done perfectly. Okay, at the point minus 50 plus 50, that is x and y axis. So understood, students? And now change the background. Put a nice background. Put a nice background. We may take a blank background. Look, my vaccine is ready. Understood, students? So I have created two blocks. One is rectangle with two inputs, that is length and breadth. Okay, and one block without inputs, that is vaccine. So kindly go through the codes. Okay, so it is basically marking on x and y axis, that is the graph. We need to mark on the graph first and then we need to draw, and according to it we need to turn the Toby where it has to move. Okay, so kindly practice these codes. Understood, students? Check these codes. It's very simple. Okay, thank you, students.